Then my runners for the 19th of April at the Vol. In race 5, I've got a horse called Follow the Master. It's his first son after gelding. He's got a bit of a deep draw to overcome. First son after the gelding, doing well back at home, but he's a type of horse that's looking for a bit further. I think he'll need the run. And then race 6, I've got Bloomington doing well back at home, coming off a bit of a rest. Then I've got Fully Loaded in the same race 6, doing well back at home. He needed his last start. Got top weight to shoulder, competitive handicap, but he's dropping big time in class, and I think he's a big runner. Then Captain of the Greens coming off a bit of a rest. He's race 7, doing well back at home. He's a type of horse that likes to run fresh. Competitive field. If he brings his A game and his work, he's got an each-way chance. And then race 9, 17 again, coming off a bit of a rest. She will need the run. And then race 10, Juniper Greens doing well back at home. Competitive fillies and mares handicap, but doing well. She should be right there. And then race 11, I've got John Wick and Tiger Storm. Both horses are doing well back at home. Competitive 1,000-meter handicap, but the people should include both in their play.